Lesson 2A, Tangents and Secants of a Circle. Tangent line. A tangent line is a line coplanar with the circle and intersects it in one and only one point. Let's have an example. Say we have circle C, and there's a line that intersects circle C at point A. Let's name the line. Say this is line PQ. Since line PQ intersects the given circle at point A, in which point A is located on the circle, that means this line is called a tangent line. So this is tangent line PQ. Another example, say using the figure, which among the lines is considered a tangent line. So again, sabi niya, tangent line is a line coplanar to the circle and it intersects the circle at exactly one point. So let's see. If we have line EA, is this considered a tangent line? No, it's not because it intersects the circle 2 points. So point E and point A. Therefore, line EA is not a tangent line. How about line DG? So if we have line DG, is this considered a tangent line? No as well, because it intersects the circle at exactly 2 points. So this is not a tangent line. How about line DA? Line DA is also not a tangent line because it intersects the circle at exactly 2 points. So hindi yon. So nasan yung tangent line natin? So the tangent line here is line BG. So line BG is considered the only tangent line in the given figure. Point of tangency. Point of tangency is the point of intersection of the tangent line and the circle. So, given circle C with tangent line PQ, the point of intersection, which is point A, is considered the point of tangency. So, point A is the point of tangency. In our given example before, if we have line BQ as the only tangent line here, the point of tangency is located at point A. So, point A here is the point of tangency. Postulate on tangent line. So, at a given point on a circle, one and only one line can be drawn that is tangent to the circle. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? In any point on the circle, there is only one and only one line that is tangent to the circle. So, try natin. Kasi pag ito, ginawan ko ulit ng line. Bawa ito, gawa ulit ako ng line. So, 2 points na yon. This is not a tangent line. Say, isa pa, papunta doon. This is also not a tangent line. That is also not a tangent line. So, yon. Sabi niya, postulate on tangent lines. Using a point on a circle, there's only, or there's exactly one line that you can draw using that point. That is considered tangent to the circle. So, point A is the point of tangency. Next, circle M. If we have point N, isang tangent line lang ang madodrawing mo gamit ang point N. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng postulate on tangent lines. So, theorems on tangent line. If a line is tangent to a circle, then it is perpendicular to the radius drawn to the point of tangency. Again, if a line is tangent to a circle, then it is perpendicular to the radius drawn to the point of tangency. So, let's have an example. So, we have circle M. Okay. So, if we have tangent line OP and point N is the point of tangency, if we will be sketching the radius from the center to the point of tangency, when they meet, they will form perpendicular line. So, tangent line OP is perpendicular to radius MN. Next, if a line is perpendicular to a radius of a circle at its endpoint, that is on the circle, then the line is tangent to a circle. Say circle L. If tangent line CS is perpendicular to radius LT, should I say, then line CS is tangent to circle T. If two segments from the same exterior point are tangent to a circle, then the two segments are congruent. Again, if two segments from the same exterior point are tangent to a circle, then two segments are congruent. Let's have circle E, and point W is a point outside the circle. Point D and point G are on the circle, and they meet at point W. So they intersect at point W. If that's the case, then point W now is considered an exterior point. So if line DW and line GW are tangent to circle E, then line DW is congruent to line GW. Say, let's have an example. Sabi niya, again, line DW, if given the condition that line DW and line GW are considered tangent to the circle, in which they intersect at a common exterior point, which is point W, then, according to the theorem, the two lines now are considered congruent. Say, for instance, DW is 25. Automatically, line GW is also 25. Common tangent. Common tangent is a line that is tangent to two circles in the same plane. Again, common tangent is a line that is tangent to two circles in the same plane. Let's have an example. We have two kinds. The first one is the common internal tangents. Common internal tangents intersects the segment joining the centers of the two circles. So, given two circles, we have circle D and circle E. Okay, this kind of figure is what we call common internal tangents. Next, common external tangents do not intersect the segment joining the centers of the circle. So again, given two circles, this kind of figure is called a common external tangent. Tangent and secant. Segments and rays that are contained in the tangent or intersect the circle in one and only one point are also said to be tangent to the circle. Let's have an example. Say, given two lines, the first one is a segment and the second one is a ray. Line segment MN is tangent to circle S, and same as ray QR is also tangent to the circle. So, ang tawag natin dito ay tangent line, but they are considered segment. Secant line is a line that intersects a circle at exactly 2 points. So, when a line intersects a given circle at exactly 2 points, automatically that line is called a secant line. Let's have an example. We have circle A in which there is a line that intersects a circle at exactly 2 points. These points are point M and point N. Since that line intersect the given circle at 2 points, automatically this is what we call a secant line. So in circle A, line MN is a secant line. In the given figure, which among the following is considered a secant line? So we know that BG is a tangent line, correct? Because it intersects the circle at exactly 1 point. And this point is called the point of tangency. Now, EA now, say we have line EA. EA is considered a secant line. So we have secant lines. Secant lines natin. We have line EA. We also have line DG. should I say line, yeah, line DG, line DG, in which it intersects the circle at point D and point F. We also have line DA. So we have line DA. Yeah. So those are secant lines. So you will do activity number 4, tangents or secants, on page 188. Sabi niya, in the figure below, line KL, KN, MP, and ML intersect at circle Q at some points. Use the figure to answer the following questions. So you will be answering the following questions. Number 1, which lines are tangent to the circle? And you have to give your reason why that given line is considered a tangent line. Next, number 2, which lines are secants, and then why? Number 3, at what points does each secant intersect the circle? How about the tangents, and so on. So you will be answering items 1 to 6 for activity number 4.